Dimitri James, Virtual Financial here. I'm on a crusade to spread financial literacy, as you can see, and that starts here, right now, with you. At Virtual Financial, we're in all 50 states, parts of Canada and Puerto Rico. Because we have a digital platform, we never have to come to your home, sit at your kitchen table, nor do you have to get dressed up and come to our office. What we're going to do at all times is set an appointment, get on the phone, have a conversation, get on a computer where you can actually see my computer screen, and we'll go through any financial needs analysis or quote that may be right for you and your family or your loved one. All right. Today, what we're going to talk about is term life insurance. What exactly is term life insurance? All term means is that you have a contract for a set period of time. Usually that's going to be 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years. Every now and then you may see 15 or 25, but for the most part, you're going to see those increments of 10, 20, or 30. The reason why that's important is what it allows you to do. It allows you to lock in that rate for that 10-year period, that 20-year period, or that 30-year period. Are you with me? Great. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go through an actual illustration, real quotes with real ages from one of the most reputable companies in the world, showing you the differences at age 30, 40, and 50. Now, you may be a little bit lower, a little bit younger than 30. You may be a little older than 50. But still, I want to go ahead and give you a chance to visualize or get an idea of kind of how these numbers may look for you. All right? So here we go. I'm going to give you a quote at age 30, 40, and 50 again for a $100,000 policy. Again, in increments of 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years. All right? So we're also, in order to compare apples to apples, we're going to do both male and female because there is going to be a price difference. Insurance companies know that women typically outlive men. And so for that reason, the price for insurance may be a little bit higher for a man than it might be for a woman when we're comparing apples to apples. All right? So case in point, $100,000 policy for a 30-year-old. Male is going to be $14. For female, it's going to be just over $12 for a 10-year policy. For a 20-year policy, it's going to be $15.39 for a man, $15.31 for a woman. Not that big of a difference. As we go 30 years out, remember that contract is going to make sure that that price is locked in from day one all the way through that 30 years. For a man at age 30, $22.36 for a man. For a woman, $17.29. Again, as we get up in age, we're going to notice a bigger discrepancy between the price point for a man and a woman. Okay? Age 40, same $100,000 for a 40-year-old. For a man, it's going to be $18.15. For a woman, it's going to be $16.86 for a 10-year policy. 20-year policy, same $100,000. We're looking at $23.74 for a man, and we're looking at $20.47 for a woman for a 20-year policy. For a 30-year policy, for a man, we're looking at $29.24. For a woman, $24.34. Again, that policy is going to be locked in for 30 years, meaning that that price will never change. It's just going to be there. Hopefully, you outlive it. But if you pass any time between that 30 years, then as long as you've been paying the same price on time, then that policy, that death benefit of $100,000 is going to be there for your loved ones. All right. Now we're over to age 50. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. For a male, that 10-year policy is going to be $31.30. For a woman, it's going to be $25.54. For a 20-year policy, still same $100,000. For a male, you're going to look at $40.76. For that same policy, for a woman, you're looking at $34.31. For a 30-year policy, meaning this policy is now going to take you to age 80. For a man, you're looking at $63.21. For a woman, you're looking at $48.59. Again, as we get up in age, we're noticing a bigger discrepancy in the actual age for a man versus a woman. Now, again, like I said, I'm in all 50 states. I don't have to come to your office, come to your home, and you don't have to come to my office. What we're going to do is we're going to meet online, or we're going to have a conversation over the phone using your tablet, your laptop, your cell phone or your smartphone, whatever is more comfortable for you. We can actually meet face to face where we can see each other face to face, or we can take that part out of it as well. Again, I want you to be as comfortable as possible. My desire is simply to get you the information that you need in order to make the best decision for your policy, for your family. Now, we go as simple as just providing a quote to an entire financial needs analysis. None of my conversations cost any money. One of the biggest barriers to people having financial literacy in America is the cost of entry, meaning that you have to have money just to be able to talk about what it means to make or protect your money. You don't have that with us, okay? So what I want you to do is feel free to go to my website, dimitrijames.com, where you can get more information on different types of life insurance, term. We got some new things that are coming out that I'll be talking about in some later videos. Or you can actually go ahead and go to my calendar and schedule time to talk with me. Just me. All your information is going to be confidential. Our conversation is going to be confidential, but you can schedule your own time on my calendar. I have it broken up into 30-minute increments. We may only talk for 15 minutes. We may need more than 30 minutes. I'm going to leave that up to you and where this conversation leads. But again, we're just going to have a conversation. There's no cost for information. Again, this is my way of embarking on my crusade for financial literacy across the United States. And again, that starts right here, right now, and it starts with you. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Look forward to talking with you. God bless.